Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to find your quiz 2.04 integer operations. So on the home page, you want to click classes and then you want to find your math class. You'll know you're in the correct math class if it says Mrs. Hill at the top. Okay, so once you're in your math class, you want to go to the top and press the word content. Now over here on the left side, you'll see some things. TFAR 5th grade review, number 1, ordering fractions, decimals, and integers. But you want to click this number 2 right here, operations with integers. And this is what is going to pull up. You're going to scroll all the way to the bottom, till you see this 2.04 unit review. Here's your quiz right here, quiz 2.04 integer operations. And remember, you have unlimited attempts.